minute and a half to go. Getting harder all the while, and he's going after him now. Oh, he's in a bit of bother again. Referee might have a look here. He's only covering up Villanueva. Now he tries to...
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ng video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. July 6, 2009, parehong dumayo sa bansang Kazakhstan ang Pinoy niya si Arthur Villanueva at ang kampiyon na si Nordine Oubaali para depensa niya ang kanyang titulo. Bit-bit pa rin ni Oubaali ang malinis na record na 15 wins, 0 loss, 11 dito via knockout. Habang si Villanueva ay dala-dala ang kartada na 32 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw, 18 via KO. Sa laban, kahit mas matangkad itong Pinoy, ay walang problema kay Oubaali. Walang takot na umaabante, agresibo at mas nagbabato ng kanyang mga kamao.
17 years or so. As Vasily Zhurov, in fact, last July defended his cruiserweight as well. And now add to that list the Frenchman Nordine Oubaali. Looking forward to this one, Barry.
The punch, and you can see where all the power comes from, because his back is absolutely
very, very short. Over 10 rounds, and is that perhaps going to play a...
I'll tell you what's going to play, Pat, is Villanueva sitting on the ropes. I know he's trying to look to counter back, but someone like Oubaali, you know, you're giving that forward momentum with on your counter shots.
And of course, everyone, for someone of his size and this weight, not bad going at all.
Got power, but every punch is solid. So he wears you down, he hurts you. Oh, lovely uppercut there from Oubaali.
Yeah, really fast cop.
You've got to try and get that left hand in the...
Popped in, what was it, 6 by Lewis Neri about a year and a half ago. We actually had Neri on the canvas that day, that night.
I think it's a little bit of both, to be honest. But I do think that Villanueva now has had a good look at him, so he has to change tact, or just retreating like that and just inviting Oubaali onto you like this. You know, allowing the short guy to get inside those longer arms is you're just asking for trouble.
WBC bantamweight title, the current for the Parisian suburbs. And one thing you can never quite quantify is
that in that first round.
Villanueva down at 15 in this Oubaali's reign, theoretically on paper, with some of the real big guns in weight. One.
That's nice. Villanueva, quick as you like there with that 3-punch combination.
Oh, what a body shot that was.
He has the upper hand with speed of both hand and foot, so he can get into range quick, he can let his hands go quick, and also if he wants to, retreat without getting hit back.
He's getting through here, Barry.
Villanueva, you've got to push. If he steps in forward momentum, the champion.
And he does have the reach back.
For the most part, Oubaali dominated with the hand speed.
Lightweight, so often it's the bigger brothers who lead the younger brothers or sisters these days into the gym with them, Barry.
I thought he's been good first 2 rounds.
Tuloy ang laban sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds at patuloy pa ring binubugbog ang pangalawang Pinoy na nakalaban ni Oubaali. Halos di makatama ng solido si Villanueva dito. Mabagal kasi kumpara sa mas maliksi at mas mabilis na kampiyon. Tila wala din kapaguran ito sa pagbato ng kanyang mga kamao.
Well, this is really top of the tree, World Championship boxing. And the champion, Nordine Oubaali, is going to work again.
Cautious to throw a punch, because that's what happened.
Neva, he's only 30, the man from the Philippines, but you do get another chance.
Dictating the pace, but without really putting his foot on the gas.
And he's so sort of compact and neat, isn't he? Balance is terrific. Oh, did he hurt him with that right hand?
I think just clipped him off balance a bit, but it was a lovely roll, it wasn't. No, under the left hand to come back with that right hook.
So he's starting to put a bit more weight in his shots. Oubaali started to get through too. He's picking things up at the end of this 3rd round.
Just pushing. Dialogue there with somebody, he didn't look too happy with what I couldn't see or hear or would understand what he was saying, but I thought he boxed really well. Unless they clashed heads, someone he's not happy with that, but for the most part, I think picking his shots well, more purchase on the punches, starting to frustrate and every now and again not in any clear danger. Villanueva was starting to hurt him with some of these punches, and if Villanueva
fantastic shoes to match. I think they're Triple G.
Yeah, I'm glad I never wore my Canelo shoes. Green t-shirt.
Did you?
stupid me. Oh, lovely. That's good there from Villanueva. Good response.
Well, he needs something, Barry, doesn't he?
Going down a little bit.
Oh. Oh, what a beauty. Do you get nice back?
Get the night, especially early in your career as you're moving up there, you just everything is on point and you just a little bit. But again, when you're in against guys who you have the advantages in almost every quarter except for height and reach, then he's doing what you should be doing, dominating.
That would be.
Shot there from
Oh,
Oubaali.
did he hurt him? Talking about power, that was a left hand that went right. Oubaali's only been out for 6 months. 6 months to sort of enjoy a bit of being the champion.
Yeah, so that's sort of a good time as well because you win a world title and you straight back into the defence early. Financially, it's great, but you no, it's this is all about whether.
For motivation, that must be the greatest thing at all.
To boxing, great.
To keep getting up, to wanting to push yourself.
Some.
Absolutely.
For others, they just get so want to unify or whatever it is. And nice uppercut for Oubaali, but him not trying to push forward is causing him too many problems.
I'm sure he's got an answer. Or the
It's nice again.
oh, good shot. Straight backs comes Oubaali. Not
Just too
opened
slow,
up.
Villanueva. That's speed to get the punch back, and it's getting caught. But I think if he pushes forward like that little bit there, then maybe you can just.
These are the things that he holds on to try and either get himself through it or to try and turn things around.
Well, I'm the master of being in losing efforts, Alex. I'm glad you asked me that question. You don't look at it like that. You just keep thinking, I gotta just keep trying. Shot, or you'll get tired, or in my case, you'll fall over by accident. But whatever works for you,
Round 6, tuloy pa rin ang laban. Agresibo pa rin ang kampyon habang tuloy naman sa pagsalo itong Pinoy sa mga kamao ni Oubaali. Tila di magawa ng solusyon ang mga accurate na patama nitong kampyon. Sa round na ito, bumagsak na rin ang Pinoy. Di na kinaya ang sobrang daming suntok na sinalo niya.
For a relatively new city, it's been like
It's definitely been hot for Arthur Villanueva, I'm afraid, pretty much from the start. Oh, he's hurt him. He's hurt him. It was the right hand.
Bumangon naman ito at pili tinapos ang round 6.
dipped his legs there, to Villanueva, and went right into that beautiful uppercut there.
And a half to go. Getting harder all the while, and he's going after him now. Oh, he's in a bit of bother again. Referee might have a look here. He's only covering up Villanueva. Now he tries to throw back. Still a minute to go. His second breath, and he's going after him again.
Oh, good shot.
Oh, you fancy the referee's having a good look. He's at enough of a respectful distance, though. Remember what we saw with Liam Conroy against Stephen Ward, didn't we, in that second round?
Yeah, exactly,
where
yeah.
he literally threw everything at him, Conroy, had Ward in all sorts of trouble, and then that was him spent for 3 or...
Again, because he's put his...
Plus the IFL TV. He was going to match Lewis Neely's performance of stopping Arthur Villanueva in 6.
We're going to see this lovely uppercut. Oh, look, that's a fantastic shot. Lovely uppercut, right hook over the top there. And he's gone down because he didn't know where he was. That's the problem there. He's hurt, but he knows the next shots might put him down for good. So he's looked for the knee. But then the onslaught there, and I thought that's where the referee was going to step in.
Bago mag-umpisa ang round 7, sumuko na itong Pinoy na si Arthur Villanueva. Di na kaya pang sabayan itong kampiyon ng France.
He came to the middle of the ring. Yes, he called it off in between rounds. Villanueva walked across to the center of the ring and bowed towards...
Panalo ulit si Nordine Oubaali via 7th round TKO at tagumpay na nadipinsaan ang titulo.
Declaring your winner by TKO and still WBC Bantamweight Champion of the World, Nordine Oubaali!
Sa katapusan ng Mayo, may pangatlong Pinoy na susubok sa lakas at tibay ni Oubaali, ang ating Pinoy, The Flash Nonito Donaire. Sa palagay mo, siya na kaya ang pangatlong Pinoy na dudurugin ni Oubaali o siya ang makakahanap ng solusyon para dungisan ang malinis na kartada nitong kampiyon? Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa videong ito? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, ang ping pirmi.